let's talk about extending the staff system. So as we've seen throughout music history, we've actually gone back and forth between different systems of notating music on the staff. At one point, we had a 3-line staff system, or a 1-line staff system, or a 4, a 5, or even a 6-line staff system. So what made us decide on this 5-line staff system? It provides sort of the perfect balance between too many lines and too few lines to accurately represent all the notes in music. If I play a note way up here, that's really far out of the staff system. So is that note. What about this note down here? Those are also below the bass clef staff. So we needed a way to indicate those notes. And what I'm going to tell you right now is something we're going to talk about later, but is often necessary to extend the staff system using something called a ledger line. I'm going to demonstrate how this is done just a little bit later, but for now, let's focus on getting deep inside the notes of the treble and bass clef and listen for the whisperings that can be heard by those who are patient. And this is a really exciting time because we're going to start to work on these individual notes in our musical system, and we're going to start to hear something that other people just can't hear.